I've changed the CPU on this cache booking register, and I'm about to close that and close that. It's all set. The unit is working and it's right now going through configuration.